Morning Year 1, it's your maths lesson of the week this week. It's Mrs. Willis and we're going to start up with a little Skillsharp warm-up. So you've got 4 questions. One more than 2 footballs is how many footballs? How do you spell the number 3? So you can write the word 3, please. This many marbles, add this many marbles is how many marbles in total together. How old is Annie? So you can pause and with your adult have a go at those questions. And then the answers are on the next page. Okay. There are your answers. So you can pause the video again, have a check through. Hope we've got those right. So let's have a go at matching up the names of our 2D shapes. We had a go at these yesterday. Let's see if we can remember them. So this one is, a circle. And the next one we've got is a square. A rectangle, good. A triangle. Which one of these is the triangle? Yeah, triangle's got 3 sides and 3 corners. A pentagon has got 5 sides and 5 corners. And a hexagon has 6 sides and 6 corners. And the way I like to remember that one is 6 has an X in it and hexagon has an X in it. So that helps me to remember. Okay, so these are something we also did yesterday. Just wanted to have a little recap so that we're used to the vocabulary that we're using here. The maths names for these 3D shapes. So these are the 2D shapes, these are 3D shapes. So just with your adult, can you tell them what are the names of the shapes we've got here? And then I'll go through them very quickly as well. I'll just give you a minute to think about which is which. So we've got a cone, a cube, a cylinder, a sphere, a pyramid, and a cuboid, sorry. Okay, I've put a little link for a song there as well on YouTube. It's a shape song and that'll be added onto the blog as well, so you can have a little go with that later. It's quite a fun song with how to remember the names of the shapes and some actions that you can do too. Okay, so we're going to have a look around some shapes, some 3D shapes. Have a look at them. What can you see that's the same? What can you see that's different? Are there any 2D shapes that you can spot on them? I notice here that we've got some curved shapes. So some sides of the shapes are curved like a cylinder. That means if I put it on the table, it would be able to roll. And if you've got tin cans in your cupboard or a tube of Pringles at your house, that's a cylinder shape. So you could have a little look at that and a practice and see that on top of it and on the bottom end there is a circle shape. So we've got some of our 2D shapes showing on the faces of some of the 3D shapes here. This cuboid has got all straight edges, so no curved sides, all flat. Got a cone. Lots of you, I'm sure, have got cuboid shapes in your house, boxes and bricks and things. Sphere, all curved. We've got no flat edges, no vertices. Vertices are the corners where the edges join up on the shape. So have a little look around your house and see if you can find any 3D shapes. See which ones you can remember the names of. See which 2D shapes you can spot. On the faces of the 3D shapes here, we've got a triangular prism here with a triangle on one side, rectangles on the other sides. So have a good look at those. Have a look around your house. See if you can find some things similar 3D shapes. Okay, we're going to have a go at sorting some of these shapes now. So we're going to look at what we can see, and again you can do this at home on your maybe have some pieces of paper on the floor and set them up so you can shape them into different shapes. So we're going to look and see what we can find. So cone, cylinder and cubes are the ones that we're sorting here. So I'm going to sort the cubes first because I know what those look like, and they've got 6 flat faces. That's a cube, that's a cube, that's a cube. Oh, this dice is a cube too. 6 faces, all flat, all square. Okay, what have we got left? Got some cones here. Cone, 1 cone, 2 cones, 3 cones. These are all slightly different way round, so they look a bit different, but they are all cones. And then the rest that we've got left here are cylinders. Now, a tub of crisps, Pringles. What did I say shape they were? Did they fit in with the cones? No, not cube shape, definitely. Yeah, they fit in with the cylinders. They've got a circle on top and curved edges. Okay, and this one, this top bit, yeah, that looks like a cone to me on the top of that pencil. It's the same shape as these cones. So we're just trying to sort the shapes into what's the same about them. We're looking at the differences and we're putting the different ones in the different boxes, but we're just trying to sort them into what they've got in common, what's similar about them. So in your books, you've got an activity that's to do with sorting shapes. You need to have a look at the headings. Some of them will be the same as the one we've done on the board. Some of them will be different. So you're going to have a go at sorting them in your books and cutting them out, sticking them in the right boxes. So enjoy, and then we can have a little go at the plenary at the end. Okay, good luck. Thank you. I'm looking forward to seeing your work, you one. Bye bye.